Let me be honest with you for a moment. When most people hear the word passive income, they imagine money coming in while they do absolute nothing. And that idea sounds great, but it also the reason many people waste time chasing unrealistic shortcuts. The truth is, real passive income works very differently. You put in focused effort upfront, you build something valuable, and over time, that effort can continue to pay you back. In this video, I will walk you through 9 passive income ideas that actually make sense in the real world. Let's start. The first passive income idea is digital products. A digital product is anything you create once and sell online as a file. This could be a template, a planner, a checklist, a guide, or a simple tool that helps someone solve a specific problem. What makes digital products powerful is that there's no physical delivery. Once the product is created, it can be sold again and again without extra effort. The key here is simplicity. The best selling digital products are not complicated, they are useful. If something saves time, reduce confusion, or make life easier, people are willing to pay for it. The second idea is online courses. And no, you don't need to be a world class expert to create one. You only need to be a few steps ahead of the person you are teaching. Online courses work because people want structured learning. They don't want to search endlessly for information, they want clear steps in the right order. A short focused course that delivers one clear outcome often perform better than a long complicated one. So clarity build trust here and trust will give you the money. The third passive income idea is YouTube content. YouTube works differently from many platforms because videos can continue getting views long after they are uploaded. Educational videos, tutorials, explanations are especially powerful because people keep searching for them. Once a channel is monetized, income can come from ads, partnerships, promotions, and other opportunities. It does take time to grow, but the long term potential is very strong. Think of each video as a small asset that can work for you over time. The fourth idea is affiliate marketing. This simply means recommending a product or service and earning a commission when someone purchases through your link. You don't need to create the product, you don't need to handle delivery or customer support. Your role is to explain how something works and why it's useful. Affiliate marketing works best when it's honest. People can sense authenticity and trust is what make this income sustainable. The fifth idea is blogging. Blogging still works, especially when it focuses on answering real questions people search online. A well written blog post can bring traffic for months or even years. Blogs can earn income through ads, affiliate links, or digital products. Growth is slow at the beginning, but over time, blogs can become very stable income sources. This is a long term strategy. The sixth idea is a stock photography and stock videos. If you enjoy creating visuals, this can be a strong option for you. You upload photos or short videos to stock platforms, and every time someone downloads your content, you will gonna earn money. The same image or video can sell many times. Simple, everyday visuals often perform better than artistic or complex ones. So, consistency matters here more than perfection. The seventh idea is a membership based income. This works when people pay a small monthly fee for ongoing value. That value could be exclusive resources, regular updates, or continued learning. Membership focus on long-term relationships rather than one-time sales. Even a small group of committed members can create reliable income over time. The eighth idea is e-commerce. This is not passive in the beginning, and that's important to say honestly. It involves product research, setup, customer service, and marketing. But when systems are built properly and processes are automated, the business can become more hands off. This path suits people who are willing to treat it like a real business, not a shortcut. The final and good idea is investing. Investing is one of the most passive income option long term. It's a slow, it requires discipline, but it doesn't demand daily effort. Over time, compound growth can become very powerful. This is not about quick results, it's about building long term stability. Passive income isn't about doing nothing, it's about building something once that can continue working over time. You don't need to start with everything, just start with one idea, stay consistent, and improve as you go. If this video helped you understand passive income more clearly, subscribe for more practical and honest content. Thanks for watching, and if you need any detail of any of these ideas, please comment. Thanks for watching.